With an Aikiken, we learn to apply the whole body in any action we perform from the very beginning, starting from pulling out and hiding the sword exercise. By practicing Suburi, we explore the core basics mechanics necessary for our further Aikido practice. The Aikiken lesson offers to consider the combination of vertical Aikiken striking movements with the harmonized and facilitating horizontal body rotation. Together they produce holistic and powerful actions, which constitute a model for the actions in Aikido game. You apply Kamae and learn to keep your hands in the front plane of your center, which makes your actions efficient. Such a striking action also serves as a model for an offensive action played by Uke in Aikido practice. Shomen Uchi and Yokomen Uchi provide a beginner with a basic idea of playing an aggressor for their partner to learn an Aikido technique. When arguing about offensive actions in Aikido, many people fail to comprehend a very simple idea. You express your intention with your offensive action. Simple, natural form is enough to achieve the goals of the practice. Anyone can get angry and naturally perform an optimal striking action, even a child. For beginners, Shomen Uchi and Yokomen Uchi provide a simple idea of how to start playing a bad guy. Do not get confused by sophisticated attack forms in sportive situations. Bokken usually serves to learn a cutting action. Our actions with an Aikiken may tell an ordinary observer that we are preparing to fight with a katana, the Japanese sword. We learn how to do it, but this is wrong. We use templates of a Japanese sword behavior for another reason. The patterns of behavior usually used to prepare a swordsman now serves a different purpose.